Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fine, Nimesh?
Yes, fine.
Okay, I'm starting. Now, we were at which books to be read. For examination of your joints, you can select whichever standard book as per your institute. The book doesn't make any difference in passing or not passing the exam. The most standard books, there are 4 to 5 most standard books are there. Bruce Reader, Sureshwar Pandey, S. Das. You can select whatever book is being used in your institute or your seniors are ready. You just need to know how proper joint examination is to be done. But there are some books which needs to be read, which are must books. You need to read 3 to 4 times that book to pass DNB practical examinations. And these books are, first one is Manish Vasne, Handbook for Practical Examination. Manish Vasne book has given many irrelevant things also. So you need to read relevant things also. But this is a must book. As I told, Upendra Kumar for Ward Round and Table Viva, and Kaushik Banerjee, Kaushik Banerjee book. These 3 books are must book, and you need to read it 5 to 6 times for passing DNB practical exam. Now, the most important thing to pass even DNB and MS orthopedic practical examination is a practice of case presentation again and again, and especially of hip and spine cases. Many students, due to their laziness in residency of whole even 3 years, they do not present multiple times long cases. I have seen many residents who have not presented long cases during the residency and have got failed in the exam just by thinking that I knew everything or and I will be able to speak in exam or due to laziness. Believe me, believe me, if you have not presented 20 to 25 minimum cases in your residency, then you deserve to fail in DNB practical exam. Without case presentation practice, you will face the rarest of the rare syndromes. There are rarest of the rare syndromes like blackout in the exam, thought block, and exam fear. Due to exam fear, I was not able to speak. These are rarest of the rare syndromes because those students are facing examiners for the first time in their whole residency. They have not presented even 5 to 10 cases in front of their guides. Many students complains after being failed in the exam that I knew the answer, but my tongue didn't speak the answer. If you have if your tongue has spoken 20 to 25 cases previously, then your tongue might have spoken that answer in exam also. These excuses are not going to change anything about your result. Do case presentations if you want to pass DNB practical examination in first attempt. Now, the most important thing, take home messages. Give your best efforts. DNB exam, being a tough exam, needs your best efforts. Work hard. Practice of case presentation again and again. Minimum 20 to 25 major case, long cases of hip and spine needs to be presented. Then after you will have confluency of case presentation. In exam, keep confidence. If you are not knowing that case, keep confidence. If you are having thought block, keep confidence. Do not fear practical exam. Everyone fears it. While entering exam, even I myself feared a lot. Those are 8 to 10 hours which are going to decide your pass or your fail result in exam. But after entry, you are entering this course, so anyway you are going to give that exam. So do not fear practical exam. While ongoing exam, do not lose hope of passing the exam inside the examination room. While getting the spine case, this is the most common thing in DNB exam. If someone gets in our during my exam also, there were some students by getting the spine case, they decided by himself that they are going to fail in that exam. So never, do not lose hope of passing the exam inside the examination room itself. Whatever happens there, keep confidence, keep hope that you are going to pass that exam. There is a saying by Muhammad Ali, the great boxer. The more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in the battle. And that's the nature's rule. You need to be prepared for any battle in life. So do case presentations. That same thing you are going to do in your practical exam. And any doubts or queries are most welcome in our group, Telegram group. The group's name is To Pass DNB oblique MS Orthopedics. Thank you. Thank you very much. Keep this in mind. Never fear the exam. Just work hard. You are definitely going to pass the exam. Definitely. Thank you.